For this next piece, I'm going to get these solar stick lights. They last about 8 hours. Got them from the dollar store. I'm going to be using them, and these fuzzy sticks, and a little piece of this that I have left over in my arts and craft box. And we're gonna get started. So I went ahead and cut out some little legs right here because I'm actually thinking about putting them here and making him some spider legs. So I'm going to show you how I did it. I went ahead and grabbed one of these. Okay. I have some wire cutters. Fold them again. Now you have 4 pieces, and go ahead and kind of just give them a little bend, and there you have more legs. So you're gonna go ahead and do this to another piece. Here we are. And there you go. Done. Now we're going to measure this out, kind of see how much I want to give him a little mohawk. So I only need that much. You could use scissors for this, but I have this here already. I might as well use it, you know. It's sharp enough, does the trick. Okay. You're gonna need a hot glue gun for this, so go ahead and stick this here, just a little strip. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this. Give him a little My kids think I'm ridiculous, but honestly, I love it. Okay, so I went ahead and glued the fuzzy sticks, and as you can see, it was a success. You just glue the center, stick them on, hold them, and then I put a little glue here on top, and then I flipped them over and added a little bit of glue on the bottom row just to really secure the sticks on. And there you have it. I haven't pulled this out. Instructions are to pull it out 8 hours before you actually use them. I would not recommend keeping them outside in the rain because they do have a battery that is included. And I did get it at my local dollar store. So hit the like button if you guys like this video to turn these dollar store lights into some rock and roll spiders. All right, see you in the next video, guys.